some rounding practice real quick so I can put this on the YouTube for you all so you can use it if you need help. I'm going to start out with a tens practice, which I know most of us already know how to do, but I want to go ahead and make sure we see it. So if I have the number 32 and I'm rounding to the tens place, what number do I underline? The 3. And then I stand in my 3 spot, and what do I do? Look back at your buddy. Hi, buddy. And I look and I say,
He's a little
he's
buddy.
a 2. Is he a little buddy? Or is he a big buddy?
Little buddy.
He's a little buddy, so what do I do? I
Stay where you
stay where
are.
I am, and then what do I do to the 2?
Squash it.
Alright. Now, I can also do it with a number line. So when I'm deciding how to find my number line, I say to myself, I have 3 tens. How much is 3 tens? 30. In order to do it, if I'm rounding to the nearest 10, that means how far do I have to go?
10 more, 40.
I have to go 10 more to 40. Okay? So I'm trying to figure out if 32 is closer to 30 or if it's closer to 40.
It's supposed to 30.
So how would I mark this on my number line? Like, what would I need to do? I would need to go up 2, wouldn't I? So I need to make sure I number it. And I would go up 2, and I would look at my dot, and I would see that the number, this is 31, this is 32, the number 32 is closer to the 30. Now, if I were to change it, and I'm still rounding to my tens, but I'm going to do it in the 100. I'm going to use numbers with the 100 place. So if I have 156, which number is in the tens place? The 5. And again, I go to my spot. Everybody say it. Look back at my buddy. And I've got a 6. Is he a big buddy or is he a
Big buddy.
He's a big buddy. What do I got to do if he's a big buddy? Get away from him. Okay? So, if I step away, what happens to my 5?
He bumps up to a 6.
Bumps up to a 6.
And then you squash the 0. You squash the 6.
I squash the 6.
And then leave the 1 the same.
And I drop my 1 because I leave it the same.
Squashing its own turn. That's harsh, you drop it.
Alright, but let's make sure we understand why it becomes 160. So let's use our number line. So, I know my 1 stays the same. I already said that, right? I've got 100. And I've got 5 tens. So how much is 5 tens? 50. And if I go, how far do I have to go up?
10.
10 more, because I'm rounding to the 10 spot. So what is 10 more?
160.
160. So now I need to know where 156 falls on this number line. So what am I going to do? What am I going to do?
Make a dot on the 6.
Make a dot on the 6. There's 151, there's 152, there's 153, there's 154, there's 155, there's 156. Now I'm looking because the idea here is I want to know which one it's closer to. That's what rounding is.
106.
160, right? Is that the same thing I got a minute ago?
Yep.
Yeah. All right.
If it's 5,
You can hit pause there. You can hit stop for a second.